you down, guys. Promise.
I noticed it's either you're the crowd's favorite or your support team is just so big and very, very supportive now. You know, you might want to give credit and give shout outs to the people who are here to support you.
Hindi ko naranasan ng gantong suporta na nasa likod ko. Ang dami na. Kaya, hindi ko pwedeng sayangin yung laro. Lalo na nakita ko sila na nag-sacrifice sa akin lahat. Sumuporma sa akin lahat ng mga coach. Coach Jansen, Coach lalo ni Coach Jerry, and other teammates na tumulong sa akin. And also, my boss in Malayan, Boss John, thank you very much. And thank you for our most handsome, Mark Mogan. And also, thank you for my family and supporter from Bicol. Thank you very much. Hindi ko na kami isa-isa. And sa kamanid ko na kalawag ko palagi sa sparring, kaaway ko, pero at the end, magkapatid pa rin kami.
Wag na.
Thank you sa ex ko na nandiyan na nanonood. Kahit alam ko na support ka sa kalaban, pero sorry.
Aray ko!
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our winner, Jethro Sama! What a night this was. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being part of tonight's event on behalf of Zeus Fight League. This has been CFL.